Number 5. So I have a cyclohexane in a chair conformation. Substitute 2 of the, I don't know what the question is asking here. Sorry. So it's saying, given a cyclohexane in a chair conformation, substitute 2 of the hydrogen labels with methyl and 1-methyl-propyl to construct the most stable conformation of cis 1-methyl-3 1-methyl-propyl cyclohexane. Use the number provided on the ring. So basically it's saying, where do we put these guys into this chair conformation to make it the most stable? So again, I have here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how they're choosing to label this chair conformation. And it's telling us, how do we label it to get the most stable in terms of the ring. So again, it's just another fill in the blank. So I'm just going to, just visualize it here. And as you can see, they put methyl here, and they put methyl into this group, and then put all the groups I care about are the methyl and the 1-methyl-propyl, right? So they put the methyl here, the 1-methyl-propyl here, and the methyl here. So this is good, because what I don't want to do is I don't want to put the 2 big groups on the same side of each other. If they're on the same side, it's going to give me the highest energy level in terms of the conformation of the chair. So it's actually going to be, if it's on the same side, it's going to be if it's basically both sticking up. So if I put kind of I'm 1-methyl-propyl here and methyl here, it would both stick up and it would be on the same side. Although it is cis, in terms of the it would be basically in the equatorial, in the axial position. Sorry, if the same side, it's axial position. So therefore, it would be the highest energy level in terms of, it's actually the least stable for the conformation. But if you put in the equatorial position, like they did here, so I have 1-methyl here and 1-methyl-propyl on this side, it would be the most stable conformation. So again, this is simply just the kind of question when we're talking about the chair conformation. We're talking about basically axial and equatorial positions. So again, axial, we have they're basically kind of the on the opposite side in terms of in trans, and equatorial would be kind of on the same side here for the cis as well. So that's kind of how we this concept of basically substituted cyclohexanes. And again, this here would have been a axial kind of conformation. This here is equatorial. Equatorial, I think of it as like inside the plate. Axial is always sticking up. You can also think of it as if you wrote, like if you kind of did a Newman projection, and if you were to see this in terms of if you were to draw the Newman projection, you would see that this one would be equatorial here. So you would see that both of these are in the most stable conformation here. So this is good solution and analysis. So the solution here is correct. I'm not gonna, oh, this is opposite. I have to stretch my head here. So this one is cyclohexane conformations.